Hello everyone. We are from B.Tech, I Department 3rd year. We are done the project farming automation system for the subject process control. This project is done by the team members Roshini, Govardhan, and Hariharan. The objective of our project is to develop a cost-effective and efficient farming automation system that leverages IoT technology for monitoring and managing agricultural operations. The system aims to automate key farming tasks such as irrigation, soil health monitoring, crop surveillance, and environmental control to enhance crop yield, reduce manual labor, and optimize resource use. By integrating sensors, microcontrollers, and actuators, the system will provide real-time data, remote control, and automated responses, enabling farmers to make data-driven decisions and increase productivity while reducing environmental impact. This is our project prototype. We can monitor the sensor values in Blynk platform. The temperature sensor reads the temperature value and shown in Blynk platform as well as LCD display. The SioCal moisture sensor reads the soil moisture value and shown in Blynk IoT it represents 0% or 100% and LCD display in dry or wet. If the soil is dry, the water pump is on and the is wet pump in off state. It is controlled by manually. The status of the pump is shown in the LCD display. The ultrasonic sensor is measure the water level of the storage tank, and the voltage sensor measure voltage value, and shown in display, and Blynk IoT application. The following components are used in Thesis project. The microcontroller is ESP8266, and the soil moisture sensor, temperature sensor DH11, voltage sensor, ultrasonic sensor for level, DC to DC buck converter. Relay module is used to switch the pump and the water pump and power supply for whole project. Is lithium-ion battery and holder and jumper wires. All the sensor values are monitored by the Blynk IoT application. Thank you for watching these video.